by 6 outcomes, states of nature. We call it as the results or the outcome, right? With certain payoffs, with certain monetorial payoffs, you can say, right? Now, if you go with S1, it has got certain payoffs with the highest payoff of 1000. If you go for S2, okay, we have 6 outcomes, out of which 850 is highest. Like that, we have the whole matrix formulated. Understood now? You got it? All of you log in your from your mobile phones. Look at the slide. Look at the slide. Look at the slide. And we are supposed to apply all the 6 decision models and decide which is the best strategy. Earlier, S1 observation, S2 then just say we have 6 options. I have 6 ways of decision to be taken with certain amount of results expected. And among which is the best one? That is a simple question, right? Okay. Have you understood the matrix? Have you understood the matrix, all of you? Yeah. Log in from a mobile phone. Quick. ದೂರದರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ಯಾಕೆ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತೀಯ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗಾ ಫೈನ್ and if possible you copy this, if not at least listen to me. Now what is the first one that we are going to do? Maximax. Okay, now here is the result. Maximax here is the result. Maximax means what? Maximizing the maximum profit. You have to list all the possible maximum outcomes corresponding to each strategy. Kelskoli matatta irodana akkade ikkade diversions beda. You have to list what? You have to list all possible maximum outcomes corresponding to associated with each strategy. S1 strategy outcome, what is the maximum? S2 strategy outcomes, what is the maximum? S3 strategy outcomes, what is the maximum? Like that. And I did it so simply. Okay, last maximum 9 akunte. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋದು. Okay. See here. And I've taken S1 maximum, S2 maximum, S3 maximum. I've listed out. And out of these maximums, I've selected the maximum. I got my result. What is the result now? What is the result now? 1000 corresponding to strategy. S1. What is the conclusion now? What is the conclusion? Result. According to Maximax criteria, S1 is selected as the best strategy, which gives maximum profit. Ask one line conclusion. Conclusion is not necessary. One line is right. S1. And 1000 there. S1 is 1000. Correct? Ali, you are representing number alba. Andre corresponding S1 N6 S1 N6 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇನ್ನೂ very good, no problem. But S1 N6 ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. And they write this way, number value. Okay. Understood? Any questions? Any questions now? See, I explain it again for those people who have entered late. Okay, listen to me there. Okay, I think some 2 or 3 have entered late. Log into your mobile phones. Check this slide number 34. This is the criteria with regard to your Maximax. This is the criteria with regard to what? Maximax. Maximizing the maximum profit. Maximizing the maximum profit refers to what? We have to list maximum outcomes. Profit is outcome, alva. You understood, right? Profit is a result. Profit is an outcome. Outcome with some action. That action is called a strategy. Alternative courses of actions. And here I said S1 maximum I have listed, S2 maximum I have listed, S3 maximum listed, S4 is listed, S5 is listed, S6 is also listed. Nota bandre, out of all possible maximums, which is the maximum? Best among the best. Cream. Best among the best. You are all the best, right? You are all the best. You are all best. Okay, nobody is less. But I need what? I need best among the best. This is what Maximax refers to. The manager is so pertinent, so specific, so stringent, no compromise. He has to have the best of the best decisions. Correct? Now, you can write down. Therefore, according to Maximax criteria, S1 is selected as a best strategy. Ali green, yellow color alle underline madidini. Correct? Artha agidiya? Neven pen paper itkondu ಉದ್ದುದ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Understood? Any questions? Hello? Any questions? Maximax S1. Sorry. Yeah. According to Maximax, S1 is the best strategy. S1 is the best strategy. Yeah? Matadbardu. No disturbance, not even one single word. Discussion ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Discussion ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. I am ready to answer all possible questions. Don't worry. Okay. Next, we'll go for the next method. What is the next method? Go for slide number 35. Go for Maxim Mini. Go for the next strategy. Go for the next strategy. Go to slide number 35. Go to slide number 35. What it says? Maximizing the minimum profit is quite inferior. Earlier manager was superlative. He is very much superior in nature. Highly superlative. Superlative in the sense he is what to say, super conscious. No compromise in nature kind of manager. For such kind of managers, we have something called leadership traits, or we have something called as leadership qualities. Leadership qualities. Leadership traits or leadership traits ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ leadership traits ಮತ್ತೆ leadership qualities ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೋಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ if you study leadership qualities or leadership traits ಅಂತ try ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ individual qualities, individual traits, managerial traits ಅಂತ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್, ಯಾರು ಅವನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. Best among the best andre you can imagine his attitude, and the other one is quite inferior. If you want to analyze the situation, you can take two examples exactly. And the other one, the district commissioner was Who was there earlier? This man. She was such a kind of expecting best among the best. Max. Very high profile attitude. Very high profile. Yavu care madala. Okay, I know what is best and I want the best among the best. And now the present one, the present commissioner, he says, I'm a low profile officer. He is quite inferior. I just wondered what kind of man he is. He got correcting your management pata madi vanta. I'm a low profile officer. I'm reporting time I'll come to your office. Okay, and you're running some organization and you're the boss of it, and you're appointing me as your CEO. Okay, I come to you and say that, my dear Sanjan, I'm a very low profile man. Please give me a chance if I commit a mistake. It is your personality that decides you. That's it. And all these decisions under uncertainty models, they're all based on leadership traits and leadership qualities, managerial leadership. A manager leadership mele decides who is a superior manager, very high positive attitude, very high optimistic nature, inferior, pessimistic nature. This is a kind of pessimistic. He's pessimistic. Minimizing loss, but still I need to at least do something better. Such a kind of thing here, maximizing the minimum profit. You take all minimums. Every strategy, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. For each and every strategy, there are some individual corresponding outcomes. Among them, you're listing what? Not maximum. You're listing all minimums. And among these minimums, you are taking maximums. I'm not telling this is wrong or right. Okay, which is absolutely right, which is most perfect. Namge perfectness namge situation okay, as a leader, as a manager, which one does it suits to you? That is more important. There are several managerial qualities to be explored. As you all know about their organizational behavior, there is something called as individual differences of leaders. All leaders are not same. All managers are not same. All bosses are not same. They have their own kind of profile, as I said, high profile, moderate profile, low profile, inferior profile. Yaru sari anta helakagalla, yaru tappu anta helakagalla. Understood my point? I'm academical, I'm giving you the example so that you can understand it better. Right? Now, if you say you have listed all possible minimums, 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. These are all the minimum profits expected. Expected minimum profits. Among all these minimums, which is maximum? 250, right? This 250 represents which strategy? Strategy S6. Here calculations idea. Calculations is a problem. Monday in the matter. Okay. This table hengi generate agate anta. Nani already values kottidine alva. Nimgene kodala. They'll give you one passage, one paragraph. It's right in the case. Supply is to demand is to price is to margin is to profit is to loss is to situation intadu manager's attitude intaradu. Okay, they'll give all some kind of all mixed kind of situation, and you analyze and you get the values first and then you apply the strategy. That is quite helpful. Be prepared to face that problems also. Your already values are given, but there is a situation where you're supposed to get the values first, get the matrix ready first. Okay. Now, right now, according to Maxim-Mini situation, right now, according to Maxim-Mini situation or criteria, according to Maxim-Mini criteria, maximizing the minimum profit criteria, S6 is selected as the best strategy. According to Maximin, Maximini ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. Maximini criteria S6 is the best strategy. Yes, two are discussed, right? Okay, we'll go for the next. Shall I move on to the third one? Any doubts? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Anybody? Abdullah? You are fine. Okay. Take this mini-maxi criteria. Next is mini-maxi. Mini-maxi. Minimizing the maximum loss. Again is optimistic. Minimizing the maximum loss. One minute. There is some uniqueness we got to this method. We assume that, right now, while applying a mini-maxi criteria, assumption is very important. Okay, while applying mini-maxi criteria, max or maximum and maxi and the characteristic. While applying mini-max criteria, mini-maxi criteria, we assume that the given matrix represents either the cost or the loss expected. Cost there is some uniqueness about this method. Earlier there are profit and method, but idondike matra idana navu loss anta tagottu, because we have to minimize what? Loss. Assume that there is a loss. It's only assumption. It is assumption based criteria. I assume that I am going to sink totally. I'm going to assume that I'm going to sink totally. My business is going to sink totally. Okay, there's a sinking business. First, I have to make it to sail through. Sinking and sailing, there's a difference, right? Sinking means total collapse, man. Sailing means at least you can just move on. At least some point later, okay, at least you can reach a place at the destination. Okay, some ground there, and so that you can stand up and you can start the business, right? Sinking and sailing and all. This is a situation. We are assuming that we are going to totally sink, demolish, destruction, loss, total loss. And in that situation, the manager thinks that, oh, how best I can make my business to sail through. Sail through on that. ಮುನ್ಗೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮುನ್ಗೋಗೋ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹಡಗನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನ ಮುನ್ಗೋಗೋದು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೇಲ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲೆಗಳು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಡ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ. You got my point? Under example, I hope you got it right. Yeah. Now, mini-maxi criteria, minimizing the maximum loss. Again, you take all maximums. Out of this maximums, you select the minimum. Here, it is maximum loss that you are representing. We assume that the given matrix represents loss. Select the corresponding loss with respect to each strategy. Select what? The corresponding loss with respect to each strategy. And out of that maximum loss selected, you pick that minimum one. Among all possible maximum losses, select the minimum loss. Among the possible maximum losses, identify the minimum loss. Identify the minimum loss. Okay. According to mini-max criteria, according to mini-max criteria, S6 is the best strategy. Understood? Any questions? Any questions? Hello? Any questions? Sodar, who are all there online? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರೋರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಯಾರು? ಮಯೂರ್, ಮನೇಶ್, ಅಲ್ಬಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾನಾ? ಓಕೆ. Aman, any questions, Aman? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pratika, what about you? Are you fine?
Yes, sir.
Following, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Ishwant Raj is there, right? Okay. Samson is also there. Nishka, what about you? Nishka, how are you? Is it fine? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no questions, right? Hello? Nishka offline, huh? some network issue. Okay. Now we'll go for the next one. Equal probabilities or Laplace criteria. Look at the table. It is all 1 by 6 times. 1 by 6, what is decimal? 1 by 6, what is decimal? See what exactly I have done. I have taken S1, I have taken N1, sorry, S2, I have taken S3, S4, S5, S6, and I have taken the average, whole sum divided by 6. It is based on equal probabilities. Equal probabilities means 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. The problem is complications I can do, but mid-level complications matter. These are the complications are too far. We don't expect any of such. What is called as twists, complications, custom paper. Free, with confidence, with love towards exam, with love towards subject, with love towards the teacher, so far to the subject. You write it and you succeed. Yes, that's me. Yeah, don't afraid of facing the exam mistake. Now, we have S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. Okay, all columns and values in the written there. I've taken average. Check. I've taken the sum and divided by 6. Why it is 6? Because of 6 strategies. 3 is right, 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5. Equal proportions. For S1, what? 1,000, 2 times have written. Okay, please make it correct and simplify it. Whether the result is right or that is wrong. Okay, please rectify it. See there. Hello. There is some numerical error. Instead of 1,000, 3,000, I have written it 4,000. Twice, yeah. See, according to Laplace S1 0 plus, what is the number there? 200, 400, 600, 800, 200, 400, 600, 800, plus 1,001. And this is whole divided by, okay, for S2, please tell me, yeah, 50, okay, okay, plus 1 by 6. For S3, plus 100, 300, 500. Right, that's it. 1 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, S4 plus 150. Huh? Again. Next. One more. Okay. 550. 1 by 6. S5. 400. 205 times. One, two, three, 4, 5. Next. 400. 1 by 6. Next, S6. S6 is equal to all 6. One, two, three, 4. Yeah. Somebody take this photograph. Quick. Put it in the chat box. Yatra bara. Yaar yatra bari photo to bari. I need this answer once. Wait a moment. Answer. No, you tell me this sum and divided by 6. 3,000 by 6. 3,000 by 6. 3,000 by 6. 3,000 by 6. Extra 500. This one. 383.3. 383.3. 300. 233.3. 233.3. 250. Yeah. It's selected. It's not because 500 is maximum. Correct? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ 5 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಕಣ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಐ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ copy this whole writing, put it in the chat box. Neatly zoom ಮಾಡಿ correct ಆಗಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡು chat box. There is some error in this Laplace criteria. Okay, please wait there. And this is what exactly. ಅದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾ 500 ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು equal probabilities or Laplace criteria according to Laplace criteria S1 is selected as the best strategy. S1 is selected as the best strategy, which gives maximum profit of rupees 500, which gives yeah, yes. Any questions? None subject? Nandalwa? Olympics. Olympics ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮವರಿಗೆ ಏನು ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. There are total stupid policy makers. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಚೈನಾ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಹಾಂಗ್ಕಾಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಜಪಾನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Why can't they teach sports in the schools and colleges and universities? How many sports universities we have in India? How much focus on the sports? It's not at all considered as a career itself. ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಮನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಗಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಈ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡ್ಲ ಎಂಟನೇ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಕಾಸು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 140 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ 1-2 ಮೆಡ್ಲು, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಮೇಕರ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಈಗೇನೋ ಹೊಸ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟಾಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೈ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್, ಹೈ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಹೈ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಹೈ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಹೈ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ತರ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಐ ಫಾಲ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ಇಷ್ಟು 140 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಕಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಕರಾಟೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. You are not into karate. Then which sports you have? Martial arts. Martial arts karate training ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಆಗಿಸೋಕೆ. BBA side only martial arts. Early morning 4:30, 3:32, all day training. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ವಾ? Don't feel like that. To reach the top, should begin and have the ambitious kind of thing to reach the top. Mount Everest climb ಮಾಡೋಕೆ 5 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ Mount Everest ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮೊದಲು ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರಲ್ವಾ ಸರಿಯಿಂದ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಸಿ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾಕಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲನೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡೋಡೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಲಂಚ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ABCD ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ tell me how to become a politician ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅದಂತೂ ಸತ್ಯ ನಾನು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ 50 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಸಿ 55 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ವೆರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನೀನು ಆ ಮನೆ ರಿನೋವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 50 years ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆವಾಗ ಕಟ್ಟ ಮನೆ 2020 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 20 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ 100 days ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಹಳೆ ಮನೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿನೋವೇಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸೋಕೆ ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ರಿನೋವೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತವ್ರು ಬನ್ನಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 50% ಲೈಫ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು I want you the people like you come forward renovate your house it's very long old 70 years old construction modern pillars architects beautiful ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ Yeah, you're going to do it. What is the money? Money is there everywhere, man. Don't, that is not that for money. It's all hidden. It's all hidden. It's all unreported. Money is there. Money is not a problem. Mindset is the problem. Any questions, I said? 1 second. Yes. Yeah. Now you take the title as Harvard's model. Time aita. Aaytu badappa biಡ್ತೀರಿ Okay, we'll continue tomorrow next class with this one. Zara point ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರವರ್ತರ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ ಏನು ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಯಾಕೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕ್ವೈಶನ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಿಸಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ It all depends on your managerial expertise, professional expertise. Higher than 0.5. Okay, we consider you as an optimistic manager. Confidence level ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 0.5 ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ of your interior man, low profile education man. Find when you answer high performance manager. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕರ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, any questions? I'm closing it. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Hello? Any questions? Nishka? Pratika?
No, sir.
Any questions, man? Nishka?
No questions, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, what is that?
No questions, sir. Understood.
No questions. Okay. And we'll do this Harvard's model tomorrow as they're telling it's time up. It's, I think, 10:20 now. What's the time? Not to make hurry, we'll leave it. No problem. Okay, see you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.